Welcome back, everyone. Today we embark in our Python journey. But before we dive into the how-tos, let's understand the why behind Python. Amongst a myriad of languages, why has Python garnered such popularity? Python is versatile. From web development to data science, from automation scripts to artificial intelligence, Python's applications are vast. Readability. Its syntax is clean and straightforward, making it beginner-friendly. And finally, community. A robust community means extensive libraries, frameworks, and support. Consider Python as a Swiss Army knife of programming languages, versatile and reliable. Setting up your Python environment. Navigate to the official Python website, python.org. Head to the Downloads section. For beginners, it is recommended to download the latest stable version. Follow the installation instructions. Remember to check the box that says Add Python to Path during the installation. This will make your life much easier. Python Interactive Shell. Once installed, you can type Python in your terminal or command prompt to access the Python Interactive Shell. It's a place where you can instantly run Python commands. Try typing in print, parentheses, double quotation marks, and between them you write hello, comma, word, exclamation mark, and then hit enter. If you see the greeting echoed back, congrats, Python is successfully installed. If not, go back to step 1, your first Python script. Now, while the interactive shell is fantastic for quick tasks, for more extended coding, we use script files. Create a new file using any text editor like Notepad or VS Code and save it with a py extension, py. Say firstscript.py. Open your file and type in the following: diff, greet, parentheses, name, double dots, hit return or enter, return f hello name. And then go back and print greet Python learner. Save the file. Open your terminal or command prompt. Navigate to where your file is saved. And type Python first script.py. If everything goes right, you should see the message, "Hello, Python learner." With this, you just executed your first Python script. Basic syntax overview. Python is known for its readability. Let's break down the script we just wrote. Indentation. Notice the spaces before the return statement. In Python, indentation, spaces, or tabs is crucial. It determines the scope for loops, functions, and classes. Functions. The keyword diff introduces a function. Everything indented under this is part of the function. String manipulation. The fhello name is an example of an if string. A way in Python 3.6 and plus to embed variables directly inside string literals. And finally, comments. Not present in our script, but vital. Any line starting with the hash is a comment. Python ignores these lines, but they are essential for developers to understand code. Let's add our first comment to our code. This is my first Python code. This is a function. It starts with a diff as in define. Most functions are used to return something. In this case, it simply prints a message. Practice for today. Before we conclude this section, play around with the Python interactive shell. Try to print another message. Experiment with your script. Try adding more functions or changing strings. Familiarize yourself with the installation process. It's the foundation upon which we build. So for now, take a breather, play around with what you learned, and always remember, every coder was once where you are right now. Happy coding!